Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these lovely little delicate flowers. So let's get started.
I post new videos on Tuesday and Friday in the morning. You may not receive an email, but you can always find it in your subscription box on the top left of your screen. And if you find the videos too fast, you can slow them down by clicking on the gear icon below the video.
To make these flowers, you can use any yarn that you like. It works best if you have a fine yarn for the petal section and a thicker yarn for the center. If you don't have a thicker yarn, you could always use 2 strands. So I'm going to start my center with worsted weight yarn, and I'm working with a 5mm crochet hook. And I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 1, and I'm going to make 10 single crochet in the ring. I'm going to carry the yarn in along the outside, and then I'll be able to close the center of the flower. So I'm going to make 10 single crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I made 10 single crochet in the ring. At the end, I'm going to slip stitch to join in the first single crochet, fasten off. Now you can pull the yarn in from the beginning and close up the center of that flower. And now I'm going to attach my yarn for the petals, and I'm going to pull it through, lock it in with 1 stitch with both the working yarn and the yarn end. And because that's a chain 1, I will only need chain 9 for this first petal. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. Single crochet in the same stitch, and I'm working only in the back side of the stitch, and that will leave a nice little ridge in the center of the flower. And I'm going to make 3 of these loops in each stitch. If the yarn were thicker, like double knitting, I would only need 2 loops in each stitch. So chain 10, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Single crochet in the same stitch. So you see I have 3 loops in each stitch, working only in the back side of the stitch. So I'm going to go to the next one. So I'll start with my chain 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Single crochet in the next stitch. Now I'll make 2 more loops in that stitch. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Single crochet in the same stitch. 1 more loop in that stitch. So single crochet in the same stitch. So you can see how that's starting to work out. And you're just going to continue to work around. We're making 3 loops. And there's how that flower will look when it's finished. It's a lovely little multi-petal flower. And I tied all the yarn ends together on the back. So now you could attach one of these alligator clips to the back and be able to use it as a shawl pin or attach to a hat. Or you could attach a barrette clip and use it as a barrette. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these delicate crocheted flowers. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.